What up, y'all? It's your boy Justin Locs. We back in my bathroom, like always. Today what I'm gonna be doing is a length check. I haven't actually measured my hair in a little bit, and since I just passed my 2-year, 9-month anniversary, milestone, whatever you wanna call it. I figured I just measured my hair and just see how long it is. Some people have asked me how long it is, and I think it's probably 10 to 11 inches. We gonna see. I just washed it, so it looks pretty long. Well, I'm just gonna measure it and just see. I just wanted to figure this out. So I'm just gonna measure from the front, probably the sides, and then like the back of the sides, just to see what we're working with here. And I have a yardstick, so this is what we're gonna use. All right, let's get into this. So let's see the front. Let's just use this guy right here. Let's see. Okay. So he is at 10 inches. Let's go like right here, I guess. Okay. I would recommend using something a little bit less huge, like a giant yardstick. Okay, this guy is 11 inches, so that's kind of cool. So we got 10 in the front, 11 on that side. I know I have a really long one, like kind of near the center of my scalp. I don't know if I can find him today. He may be asleep, I don't know. Let's see, okay, this guy right here. He's only at 10 inches. Let me see if I can find the long one. There's a long one in the middle of my head. I think it's, no, it's not that one. Let me measure it. There's like one particular one that's like just very long for some crazy reason. I think this is it. Actually, let me see. I know this must look really goofy with this giant thing. Okay, he is a little bit past 11, like 11 and a half. I think that's my longest lock that I have. From the back, this lock is about 10 and a half. I don't know if you can see if it's in the camera. This one's 10 and a half on the back left. Let's see, back or right. This guy. This one right here. It's 12. Almost 12. I'm gonna say almost 12. We ain't gonna claim it yet. We're gonna be honest with ourselves. Okay, so that's what we got. So yeah, so we're averaging around 10 and a half to 11 and a half inches. We're almost to 12 in some areas of my scalp. But yeah, that's after I started growing my hair, what was it? It was October, November of 2012. So yeah, 12 inches of hair and almost in about 3.5 years. So that would be an average of about 3 inches a year. And really, if you think about the way that your hair locks up, the length of your lock is not necessarily the true length of your hair, because as it's matting up, your hair is curling and matting together and locking together. And so there's loops, there's curls, there's all kinds of curly hues and stuff in your hair. So the actual length of my hair is probably a lot longer. I've heard that on average your hair grows 6 inches a year, or like up to 6 inches a year. So if anything, like if I didn't have locks and I just had like a Snoop Dogg press and curl or a blowout or something, my hair would be like poof, like a giant, I don't know, like a giant afro or something like Ludacris had when he take his braids out when he used to have long hair. I don't know. But I guess that's it. So we have 3 more months and we'll be at our 3-year lock anniversary, which is kind of crazy. I still remember thinking when I was in that first year stage of like, I want to cut these off. I'm tired of it. I ain't doing this no more. But now my hair is, where it is. So, all right, well, cool. Well, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to do that. I would really appreciate if you did. Thank you for coming back. And if you want to keep watching this stuff or get a little notification on your subscription list of things you'd be watching, click the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments in this comment section below. I can't talk right now, I'm tired. Contact me via any other type of social media on Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat even. I'm there too, all right? So, y'all can reach me anywhere almost. Call me, beat me if you want to reach me. I don't have a pager though, so don't do that. All right, well, Until next time, y'all, I will see you when I see you.